Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a bunch of favorite products that I want to share with you guys. I have basically done an overhaul of everything in my home, starting with cleaning products, moving on to hair and body, makeup, skincare, supplements, everything like that. I have rid my home of anything toxic and just anything with yucky ingredients I no longer use. And sis, I have a little visitor in my video. Cheese! I turned to Instagram for information, inspiration, and a lot of product suggestion and a lot of my research and just things like that. So I thought that I would share my knowledge and some of the new things that I am currently using with you guys. I just thought it would be helpful. So the first thing that I swapped out is our cleaning products, and this was a huge one. I actually turned to the Think Dirty app, and EWG are just full of information. They go in depth on the ingredients. They have a rating system. So with Think Dirty, anything from 0 to 3 is like good. That's what you want, preferably 0, but 0 to 3 you're still in the green marker. Anything I believe it's like 5 to 8. I could be wrong on that. I will link the app below, but anything in red you don't want. Even starting in like 4 and up, basically 4 to 8 you do not want, because that is like highly toxic, carcinogenic, just not good stuff. And I was so shocked to find out that my detergents, my cleaners, our shampoos, body washes, everything was like had an 8 because of the fragrance. Fragrance is like a huge no. It's just crazy and super overwhelming, but I have kind of pulled back and not let the anxiety of it all take over, which I kind of was at first, but I just kind of chose each section to swap out at a time, and that is what I'm sharing with you now. So I'm going to stop rambling. First thing that I swapped out was cleaning products, and we switched over to Branch Basics. This is an amazing company. The concentrate that you get is so powerful and so multi-dimensional. You can use it for so many different things. With this concentrate, I clean my dishes, I do my laundry, clean counters, clean stains. You just use the concentrate, and it comes with all different bottles. I just have the hand wash to share with you because everything else is just all over my house right now. But each bottle has instructions, and it has a refill line. Fill to the water line, then you fill to the soap line, and it's that easy. Like, the packaging is super cute, the ingredients are not harmful, right on the bottle, and the company itself, yeah, I've researched the company. The ingredients are fragrance free, plant-based, human safe, no synthetic anything, no tree nuts, it's hypoallergenic, it's non-toxic, they don't test on animals. It's just all around an amazing, impeccable brand that I stand behind 1,000,000%. Absolutely love them. They have it shipped to me every month, so I'm constantly getting the concentrate. I don't run out. It's just awesome. I love it. And yeah, I couldn't recommend it to you guys more. So if you do want to check it out, I will have a link down below where you can save $10. And so yeah, I will have that link down below if you want to check it out. And also the customer service is amazing. If I message them with a question, I have a response in like an hour, if not sooner. It's just amazing. They're such an incredible brand, and I'm happy to share them with you guys. Next, I'm moving on to hair products, and this was a hard one for me because I had been using the same hair stuff for years. When I typed those brands into Think Dirty, I was appalled, shocked, freaked out. I couldn't believe I had been using products with these terrible ingredients for years, you guys. I was like, oh my god. I just got like freaked out. But I just had to remember that now I'm changing, and now I'm gonna use, you know, good products with clean ingredients, things that are not gonna harm me or my children. Oh yes, your little toes. All about being informed and doing your research. And for hair and body stuff, I turned to Original Sprout, and this is an awesome company based in California. All their stuff is made in California, right in San Luis Obispo, which is where I've lived before, and I have family there, so that's really cool. But for the kids, I use the natural shampoo, the deep conditioner. They also make a baby hair and body wash, but I don't have that on hand right now, but I do like that as well. And then I also get the Miracle Detangler, and this stuff is awesome. It is free and clean right on the packaging. They have a ton of information about what their product does not contain, which really eases my mind. There are no parabens, nanoparticles, lavender, tea tree, petroleum oils, musk, propylene glycol, sulfates, gluten, soy, or dairy. It's 100% vegan. It's just amazing. I love this stuff, and I researched the company quite a bit because they do have perfume with natural extracts right on their ingredient list, and that made me a little bit nervous until I did my research and reached out to the company and found out exactly what the perfume contains. Okay, so I wanted to be totally clear when I read this. So on their website, under the fact section, it says, is your perfume cruelty free? And they said right there, their fragrances are free of ingredients linked to hormone disruption and cancer concerns, such as, and then they give an entire list of things that they do not use. So Original Sprout is made in California. This means the best consumer protection. In the US, only California has the Safe Cosmetics program and Prop 65. So Europe and California has banned over 1,500 endocrine disrupting, mutagenic, and carcinogenic ingredients from cosmetics. So none of their fragrances, perfumes have anything bad in it. There's nothing cancer causing in it. It's not gonna disrupt your hormones, nothing like that. So that is why I fully support Original Sprout. And yeah, so the natural shampoo, the deep conditioner, and the miracle detangler for the kids, and I use it too sometimes when, you know, mine runs out. And then for myself, and I've used this on the kids as well, I do the Island Bliss shampoo and the Luscious Island conditioner, and this stuff is amazing. It makes my hair super soft, smells great, it's thicker, fuller, I just love it. So I highly suggest these products. They're awesome. Their shipping is really quick too. Customer service is awesome. I love it. I love when companies are transparent and you can communicate with them and they actually work. I was kind of nervous. I tried a couple different like all natural, non-toxic shampoos before I settled on this one, because a lot of them made my hair really greasy, and I read that that's normal and to keep using it. But I tried one for like 2 months probably, and my hair just was not enjoying it. It just wasn't what I was looking for. But Original Sprout, especially the Island Bliss line, amazing. This is actually, especially the Tahitian Family Collection, amazing. It smells good, leaves my hair super, super nice. I love it. So next, sunscreen. We have been loving the Active Badger. Now I do like us to get like 20 minutes of sun exposure without sunscreen, and then we use the Active Badger Baby. This is the chamomile and calendula broad spectrum SPF 30. This is awesome. It is non-nano uncoated zinc oxide, so that's awesome. Love it. It's water resistant, non-GMO, non-nano, biodegradable. Works great. I get this at our health food store. You can find it on Amazon as well, and probably like Whole Foods. I've switched out our toothpaste. We actually switched out our toothpaste like years ago. Mason has never used a fluoride toothpaste, and I switched mine out probably when I was like, I don't know, 18. I just haven't used fluoride in ages. But mine that I use is Dr. Bronner's Peppermint All-in-One toothpaste. It's fluoride free, has 70% organic ingredients. Love this stuff. Leaves my mouth feeling super fresh. About once or twice a week, I will use the Hello Activated Charcoal toothpaste. I like this stuff too, and Mace thinks it's like so cool when I spit all this black in the sink. I don't know why he's funny, but I really like this, and it's fluoride free as well. Kids, we use Hello fluoride free in the natural watermelon. And I like this stuff a lot. The kids really seem to like it as well, and I don't have to worry if they swallow a little bit, because they are little, and like the concept of spitting out the toothpaste, obviously Presley like doesn't get that yet, but yeah, I don't have to worry that they're ingesting fluoride. For some supplements, vitamins, immune booster type things, I have a couple of things to share with you guys. So for the kids, I got this stuff from their chiropractor, and Mason has been taking this since he was probably like 1.5 years or 2, but it is the Max Kids multivitamin, and this is in peach apple, and this stuff is awesome. It is gluten-free, shellfish-free, non-GMO, dairy-free, sugar, salt, peanut, and egg-free, and it has no fillers or anything gross. The ingredients are super, super clean and super good for you. So that is what this The kids also take Max Kids probiotic powder. This supports the digestive and immune health of children. And this, again, same thing, preservative free, no titanium dioxide, no artificial flavors or colors, dairy, peanut, shellfish free, gluten free, sugar, salt, and soy free, and non-GMO. Nothing yucky in this at all. They just get 1 scoop in their water or applesauce a day, and it's awesome. Keeps their gut health really well, and I am a big fan. So I will have links to those below if you're interested. You can get those on maxliving.com if you visit the store. Next, I have an immune booster, and this is by Tasha Rose Remedies, and this is the Daily Maintenance Sweet Victory Elixir, and I have heard about this for ages, and I wanted to try it out, and I finally did, and I'm so excited. I also got her kids elderberry syrup, and I swear by this stuff, you guys. Like, it's amazing. She is like awesome, and she's super sweet as well. So Tasha, if you happen to see this, thank you. I love your products. It contains astragalus, elderberry, cinnamon, nettles, rosemary, spring water, honey, and apple cider vinegar, and the ingredients are raw and organic and just amazing. This stuff, I love it. Totally swear by it. Boosts your immune system, and it just really keeps your body healthy and the way it should be. And then the elderberry syrup I also love, and I swear by that as well. It's in my fridge. But the kids and I, well, Presley and I had really bad colds, and we started on the elderberry syrup, and seriously, like the next day, my stuffiness was gone. Not even kidding. And her cold only lasted like 2 days, and sometimes that girl can have a cold for like weeks, I feel like. So I just think this stuff is awesome, and I will link Tasha's Etsy down below and her Instagram, because she is just super sweet and she makes amazing products. So next I have some like body and skincare products. So the first thing that I want to share with you is my deodorant, and I use Holly's Keeping It Real all natural deodorant. I found her on Instagram, and I am just obsessed. Super excited about this deodorant, and the ingredients make me even more excited. But here is the deodorant. Super cute packaging. I love it. Ingredients are really clean as well. Just organic coconut oil, arrowroot powder, non-aluminum baking soda, and essential oil. And mine is actually unscented, if you're wondering, but it's vegan, all natural, not tested on animals. And I like to shop small. I think it is just super beneficial. You help out real families, not huge ginormous corporations. I just use my fingertips, put it under my armpits, and I'm good to go. Love it. And I feel like this package is gonna last me like forever, because you really don't need a whole bunch. But yeah, so that is by Holly's Keeping It Real, and I will have her Instagram linked below. All of these products I will link below, or tag the people, whatever. I have been searching for good skincare. I, like everyone else, used to use the big name brands, and if you look them up on Think Dirty or research the ingredients, you will just be blown away. I don't know how you could know things are toxic and terrible for you and still keep using them. Like, maybe it's just me, but as soon as I found out certain things were so bad, I just couldn't use them. I'm like, I just have to find good, clean products, because now that I know all these horrible things, it's just my personality. Once I know something, I just go with it, or I want to do something, I just do it, and that's how it goes. So I was researching another company, and I came across Luminance Skincare, and they are another phenomenal brand based in California. I swear California has like all the clean products. But I got their sample kit, and it's super nice. It comes with the Delicate Facial Cleanser, the Rose Water Facial Toner. It comes with an acne serum, but I don't really have acne, so that's in my cupboard. I haven't used it. And then it comes with the Deep Hydration Moisturizer. So I got the sample kit just to try it out and make sure I didn't have any like bad reactions or anything, just because my skin can be pretty sensitive. But so far I have been loving these products. They make my face feel so like refreshed and clean, and like, it sounds weird, but just like really young again. I don't know, I just love it. And it doesn't have anything crazy horrible in it. The ingredients are so clean. They're just blends of oils, and I mean, it's just amazing. Like, the company was started by a man whose wife kept having really bad migraines, and they couldn't figure it out, and they finally realized that it was all these toxic chemicals in products that she was using. So he started making soap first, and then he moved on to skincare, and now he has shampoo, he has makeup remover, soaps, just all kinds of stuff. I will link his website below, but it is amazing, you guys, and the stuff seriously works. You don't need a lot. His website and Instagram are full of good information. Like, I'm just obsessed. So I would highly recommend them. I'll link them below as well. But again, the Delicate Facial Cleanser, the Rose Water Facial Toner, and the Deep Hydration Moisturizer are amazing, and a little goes a long way. You don't have to be like using a ton of product, over rinsing your face. You don't have to do that. It's just a very calm, delicate, chill process, and the results are amazing. I absolutely love the company, love the products, and I'm actually going to be ordering the makeup remover and the shampoo to try as well, so I'm super excited about that. Final products that I want to talk about are makeup and nail polish. There are good, clean nail polishes out there, and the ones that I found for the kids are called Piggy Paint, and I found them here on Instagram. And they are natural. They don't have any formaldehyde or anything gross in them, just pretty clean ingredients, and they work great. So I got like some little set from Target. It had like pinks, blues, reds, and purples. So these are just a couple. So yeah, the kids really love these, and they love getting their nails painted, and I don't have to worry that I'm putting horrible toxic ingredients on their little fingers and toes. For me, I like to use Zoya nail polish, and this stuff does not contain formaldehyde or a couple of other ingredients that I can barely even pronounce. This stuff is pretty clean as well, and I'm super happy with it. I'm wearing a dark blue shade right now, and then this one is called Winnie. It's pink. So I'm just slowly swapping out my nail polishes. If you watched me like years ago, I had a huge makeup collection, I had a huge nail polish collection, and it's just crazy to think that most of those things were incredibly toxic, and I use them like every single day. It's crazy the amount of like chemicals that go in and on our bodies. Ugh, it's just crazy. So I feel really good with the choices that I've made for our family now, and I feel really happy to share all of these products with you guys as my bra strap falls down my shirt. Let me know down below some of your favorite products. My last product, I wanted to share a palette that I actually won in Samantha Sherman's giveaway that I won not too long ago. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and I am so obsessed. I love this. It's super messy, so ignore that. But it comes with 2 highlighters, a blush, contour, finishing powder, and a brightener, and I literally use this every day. I mean, look how messy it is, but it's awesome. I love the colors. I love the wear of the makeup. It's just so nice. Like, look at this blush. I love it. I really love this palette. Highly recommend checking it out. Cover FX is also a really good brand. They're pretty non-toxic, and yeah, I really enjoy them. That is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I plan to post favorites videos more periodically so that you guys can kind of see the products that I am loving. Hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you check out all the links down below if you're on the hunt for good, clean products like I was. It can be a little overwhelming at first, can be a lot overwhelming, but just take a deep breath, do your research, and know that little by little, you're just bettering your life, and you're doing it for yourself or your kids, and it's all worth it. So yeah, and there are some pretty amazing products out there that are not full of terrible, you know, hormone disrupting ingredients. None of this was sponsored. I buy all of this with my own money and truly love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do you want to say bye-bye? Want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye right there to the camera. Say bye-bye. Alright guys, we'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on my socials. I will have Instagram and all of that linked down below. See you guys later.